Okay, today we have more percents, but we have this word equation also. I can solve percents and equations. So what is this going to look like? I'm glad you asked. It is not a proportion. This is another way to solve the same type of question. This is not a proportion. It's an equation. Something times something equals something. And now, what are the somethings? The first something is the percent as a decimal. So let's say it's 37%. 0.37 would go in that box. Let's say it's 8%. 0.08 would go in that box. So you take your percent and change it to a decimal. Times the whole, and remember a keyword for whole is of, equals the part. Keyword for part is. Now, if you're thinking, what? I finally got the proportions under control. I need you to try 3 problems using this strategy. And then after that, you can go back to proportions if you want. Some people might decide, I like this way better. I'm not doing those proportions anymore. That's okay too. But we have to try it out. So problem number, or box number 1. Of course the bell would ring while I was recording. Box number 1, 19.2 is 32% of what? You know what I like to look for first? The percent, but as a decimal. Move left twice. The next box is the whole or the of. Of what? Of what? Of what? Seems like there's going to be a variable there. Last box, part, which is the is 19.2. Okay, now I'm going to solve it not with cross product. And if you're thinking, oh, I like cross product. Great, I'm so glad you like cross product. We're just not going to do it on this one. I'm supposed to do 0.32 times W, but I can't. So if I can't multiply, then I divide on both sides. Top number on the inside. Top number on the inside. Top number on the inside. No decimals on the outside. No decimals on the outside. Good thing I have this big box on my paper for all of this work, which is also why when people turn in papers with no work, I say, show me the work. Totally guessing here. Yes! I love when I guess right. Is it 6 or 60? My missing whole number, 60. Box number 2. I need my percent as a decimal. Move left twice. This is the whole or the of 20. This is the part or the is. What is? What is? What is? I don't know. The part's missing. Okay, I have it set up. I am supposed to multiply 1.455 times 20. Guess what? I can! Yay! I can do it like it says. I can just multiply. Yay! Ready, go. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. 1.455 times 20 is 29.1. Whoa, I like that one. That one was nice and short and sweet. Box 3. So I need a percent for this box. What percent? You mean it's missing? Okay, then my percent must be my variable this time. Oh, let's pick A for Andy. Whole, keyword of, part, keyword is, so I'm supposed to take A times 48. Oh, I can't do A times 48. I'm going to have to divide both sides by 48. I'm going to need a side problem. Yes. Oh, remember? This was a percent. And right now I have a decimal. So how do I do decimal to percent? Let me back up in my notes here. Decimal to percent. Move right twice. So 112.5%. Because my score is 54 of 48. So I must have got some extra credit points or something in there. Nice, go me. Last box, your choice. Decide, are you going to keep going with this percent way? Or are you going to go back to proportions? I don't care, but you got to pick one. There is no third option. Stick with the equation. Go back to proportion. Ready, go. So you have two options. You have a proportion set up over here. You have an equation set up over here. What's better? Literally, one is not better than the other. You're going to get the same answer either way. If you don't like decimals, you maybe want to think of proportions. It's totally your choice. Just like if you're going to have pepperoni or sausage pizza. Totally your choice. That's my first step in a proportion. In an equation, I'm supposed to do 1.25 times W, except I can't, so I'm going to have to divide on both sides. Oh, hey, look! I'm going to have to divide over here, too. What? Turns out we are both doing the same problem. This person and this person are both dividing. Whose is better? Totally your choice. Both people should get 304. Set it up on your paper, people.